ambushed by reporters, and you said something, I think it's quite big. You just said President Marcos Jr. has ordered the temporary suspension of the release of the funds, and you said you had a source in Malacanang who told you. Can you expound on this?
Even before the SONA, Ms. Karen, even before elections, na pinahold na ni PBBM lahat ng flood control projects, yung kaya nga may tawag sila yun, naka-FLR. If you hear FLR, it's a term like for later release. Pero karamihan dyan, by the billions, hindi pa pinapayagan ni Presidente kasi may nakita siya, there is a problem. Nag-umpisa yan, Ms. Karen, nung matapos siya mabatikos ng last SONA na flood control. Tapos sabi niya, malapit na matapos, remember? Malapit, o natapos na 500, binaha tayo. Medyo na-shock din yung Pangulo, like what happened? Kinausap niya ang DPWH. As according to my sources, nag-usap sila, sabi, sir, may mga flood control kasi na hindi naman talaga nakatiwangwang lang, nakatenga lang dyan. It's not, wala talaga, hindi nagamit. So ginawa ni PBBM, hinold lahat, itong for this year, lahat ng flood control. Dahil nakita niya kalokohan, at nakita niya, napakalaki, tinitignan niya, bakit ito? Wala namang baha dito pero may flood control siya. Bakit naman dito? Dapat dito yung flood control. Tapos nakita niya na may mga lugar na sobrang laki ng flood control. Tapos isang company lang ang gumagawa. Tapos unfortunately, may-ari pa, politiko. So nagdududa na sabi ni BBM, parang 1+1 lang naman yun. Kaya pinahold niya. Maraming, sa totoo lang, Ms. Karen, maraming umaray na politiko. Kasi, iba ito gagamitin sana nila pang-kampanya, hinold na Pangulo eh. At wala siyang pakialam na no, in fairness to him, kasi nakita niya something is wrong. So, kaya nga, ngayong SONA, expected ko na yun, na itatackle niya yung flood control na yan nung SONA. Kaya nga, nagpapalakpakan mga tao. Kasi, alam na lahat, Ms. Karen eh, wala tayong maayos na flood control. Kaya nga, during election campaign, I was saying, hayaan na ang flood control sa DPWH. Hindi trabaho ng politiko mag-identify ng mga baha. Trabaho yan ng Public Works and Highways. Total, every city, every town, every district, meron naman district engineer, di ba? Ano yung mga, anong trabaho ng mga yan? Magpalaki na.